Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories, and in this video we are going to discuss the term Adynaton. Introduction. Adynaton, derived from the Greek word meaning not possible, is a rhetorical device that involves the magnification of an event or situation by reference to something impossible. It is a form of hyperbole that pushes exaggeration to its extreme, often creating vivid and imaginative expressions. This video explores the nature and significance of Adynaton with notable examples from literature, particularly focusing on the works of Andrew Marvell. Understanding Adynaton. Adynaton is a figure of speech in which exaggeration is used to such an extent that it describes an impossibility. This literary device enhances the emotional impact and dramatic effect of the statement by presenting an idea that is so exaggerated it cannot possibly be true. The purpose of Adynaton is to emphasize the intensity or extremity of a situation or emotion. Examples. Adynaton is often used in poetry and prose to convey powerful emotions or to make a point in a striking way. One of the most powerful examples can be found in the poetry of Andrew Marvell, a 17th century English metaphysical poet. To His Coy Mistress by Andrew Marvell. In this poem, Marvell uses Adynaton to express the urgency of love and the fleeting nature of time. He presents a series of impossible scenarios to emphasize the point that life is short and should be lived to the fullest. Love you 10 years before the flood, and you should, if you please, refuse till the conversion of the Jews. Here, Marvell references events that are impossible, the biblical flood and the conversion of the Jews, to magnify the extent of his love and the urgency of his plea. The definition of love by Andrew Marvell. Another example from Marvell's work is found in The Definition of Love, where he uses Adynaton to describe the impossibility of his love. My love is of a birth as rare as it is for object strange and high. It was begotten by despair upon impossibility. In these lines, Marvell personifies despair and impossibility as the parents of his love, highlighting the unattainable and paradoxical nature of his emotions. Significance of Adynaton. Adynaton serves several important functions in literature. Emotional intensification. By referencing the impossible, Adynaton intensifies the emotional weight of the statement. It conveys the depth of the speaker's feelings in a dramatic and memorable way. Example. In To His Coy Mistress, the impossible scenarios underscore the passionate urgency of the speaker's love. Creative expression. Adynaton allows writers to explore imaginative and fantastical ideas, enriching the text with vivid imagery and inventive comparisons. Example. In The Definition of Love, Marvell's use of Adynaton creates a striking and thought-provoking description of love. Hyperbolic emphasis. As a form of hyperbole, Adynaton emphasizes the magnitude of a situation or emotion by presenting it as beyond the realm of possibility. This can be used to make a persuasive argument or to highlight the extremity of the subject. Example. The impossibility of the scenarios in To His Coy Mistress strengthens the speaker's argument about the brevity of life. Conclusion. Adynaton, as a form of hyperbole, elevates the art of exaggeration by introducing the impossible. It enhances the emotional and dramatic impact of literary works, allowing writers to convey powerful messages through imaginative and extreme comparisons. The use of Adynaton in Andrew Marvell's poetry exemplifies its effectiveness in expressing profound emotions and creating memorable imagery. By understanding and appreciating Adynaton, readers can gain deeper insights into the creative techniques used by writers to emphasize the intensity of their themes and emotions. So this was the discussion on the term Adynaton. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.